Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of elegance and functionality with the DAYONE Apps to 57 BTG single handle with soap dispenser kitchen sink faucet 3 modes. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, you're in the right place. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right in. The DAYONE Apps to 57 BTG is a kitchen faucet that comes with a soap dispenser. It is made of brushed gold stainless steel and has a single handle design. The faucet has 3 spray modes: stream, spray, and pause. The stream mode is for filling pots and pans, the spray mode is for cleaning dishes, and the pause mode is for stopping the flow of water without turning off the handle. The faucet also has a 360-degree swivel spout that allows you to reach all areas of your sink. Here are some of the specific features about the DAYONE Apps to 57 BTG single handle with soap dispenser kitchen sink faucet 3 modes. Healthy faucet aerator and durable ceramic cartridge. Your kitchen faucet with soap dispenser features a honeycomb-shaped aerator made up of several filters, which ensures your water is fresh and clean. High-quality ceramic cartridge be tested by 500,000 times. Ensure a long service life and reliable, drip-free use. Pull-down kitchen faucet with 3-function sprayer 3 setting modes. Stream, spray, pause. Stream for filling water. Spray for strong cleaning wash. Pause for stopping water waste at any time. Meet most of your need in daily use. Single handle and 360 rotation faucet. Easy control of hot and cold water and flow volume. High arc 360-degree swivel spout. Supply full range washing access. Sprayer head always retract back to spout after each use. A completely risk-free experience. Champagne gold sink faucet with soap dispenser is made of high quality and extremely durable 304 stainless steel. For your healthy, all components of DAYONE kitchen faucet are tested to ensure suitability for contact with drinking water. Comes with a soap dispenser. All hardware and instructions are included in the package, and get an extra soap dispenser. No plumber is needed, saving money and time. DIY installation can be completed in less than 20 minutes. Here are some potential pros and cons of the DAYONE Apps to 57 BTG single handle with soap dispenser kitchen sink faucet 3 modes. Pros: convenience, versatility, easy operation, modern design, durability, water-saving features. Cons: soap dispenser maintenance, limited soap capacity. Overall, the DAYONE Apps to 57 BTG single handle with soap dispenser kitchen sink faucet offers convenience, versatility, and modern design, but it's essential to consider potential drawbacks and ensure compatibility before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the DAYONE Apps to 57 BTG single handle with soap dispenser kitchen sink faucet 3 modes. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.